Pronunciation of she. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. The best way to pronounce the she sound in Polish is simply to say it as the English she. Sheep, she, sheet. Easy. Please repeat after me. She, 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 sha, she, sho, shu. And again. Sha, she, sho, shu. Please repeat after me. She, 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 she. And again. She, 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 she. Siano, siostra, sito. And again. Siano, siostra, sito, sierpień, 7, silnik, sierpień, 7, silnik, siłownia, siodło, silny. Again. Siłownia, siodło, silny. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.